Here, you can see expected space complexity is O of n, but we will go to the next level and solve it in O of constant. So, keep watching this video till the end and hope you like it. Hello and welcome to this video on the implementation of an algorithm to color the houses with minimum cost by choosing different colors for different houses. In this video, we will be using bottom-up dynamic programming. Now, you guys will say, it's an easy one, with the greedy approach. So, let's see why it can't solve this question. The greedy algorithm approach is to choose the minimum cost of painting a house at every step, but it does not necessarily give the minimum cost of painting all the houses. In this problem, the cost of painting a house with a specific color can be affected by the color chosen for the previous house. Let's take an example, that all the first elements of RGB array are same, then we can't decide which to pick. So, the greedy approach of choosing the minimum cost at every step will not guarantee the minimum cost for the whole problem. Therefore, we need to use a different approach, such as dynamic programming, to find the minimum cost of painting all the houses with different colors. Dynamic programming allows us to consider the combined effect of the choices made in previous steps, which is essential to solve this problem. Now, let's see the DP approach. The function takes three arrays as input. R, which represents the cost of painting the house with red color. G, which represents the cost of painting the house with green color. B, which represents the cost of painting the house with blue color. First, we will create a 2D vector named dp with size n and each element having three values representing the cost of painting the house with red, green, and blue colors respectively. Next, we will initialize the first element of the dp vector with the first elements of R, G, and B arrays respectively. The for loop iterates over all houses, from the first house to the n-1th house, and calculates the minimum cost of painting each house with each color. The first line of the loop, dpi of 0 is equal to R of I plus min of dpi minus 1 of 1 and dpi minus 1 of 2, calculates the minimum cost of painting the ith house with red color. It takes the cost of painting the ith house with red color, R, I, and adds it to the minimum cost of painting the previous house with either green or blue color, whichever is smaller. The second line, dpi of 1 is equal to G of I plus min of dpi minus 1 of 0 and dpi minus 1 of 2, calculates the minimum cost of painting the ith house with green color in a similar way. The third line, dpi of 2 is equal to B of I plus min of dpi minus 1 of 0 and dpi minus 1 of 1, calculates the minimum cost of painting the ith house with blue color. Finally, after completing the iteration, we will return the minimum among all of three values that are dpn-1 of 0, dpn-1 of 1 and dpn-1 of 2, as our answer. This minimum value will represent the minimum cost of painting all the houses with different colors. And that's it. With this, we have successfully implemented the distinct coloring function to find the minimum cost of painting the houses with different colors in time and space complexity of O of n. Now, let's see the space optimization for this question. First step, we will make the dp array, a 2D vector of size, 2 cross 3. Now, if you have observed that, in for loop we only need 2 columns at a time, so we can use the rolling array technique to optimize it. This can be done only by replacing all indices of dp array with index modulo with 2. The rolling array technique works by keeping only 2 rows of the dp array in memory at any given time, and reusing them in each iteration of the loop. This allows us to keep the memory usage to a minimum, while still being able to store the intermediate results that we need to solve the problem. And that's it. With this code, We are able to efficiently color the houses with minimum cost by choosing different colors for different houses. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching.